Always remember to check DSSSM, doors, seat, steering wheel, seatbelt, mirrors. Doors. Close the door properly to avoid disqualification during the examination. Seat. Adjust the seat to your comfortable position. Steering wheel. Adjust the steering wheel to your comfortable height. Hold the steering wheel firmly to detect your fingerprints. Seatbelt. Buckle up the seatbelt to avoid disqualification from the test. Mirrors. Adjust the mirrors to clearly see the rear and side views. Show thumbs up in the right camera when you are ready. Examination will begin. Start the parking test with reverse gear. Prepare, observe, and check all sides before you begin the parking maneuvers. Release the handbrake. Reverse slowly while checking behind. Here, RTA Parking Test 2, Angle Parking Test. 2 minutes to complete the maneuver. Position the vehicle towards the left line. The timer will start when you switch on the right indicator. Prepare, observe, and move towards the angle parking bay. Check the sighting point. Do a quick right side head check to see the blind spots before turning the vehicle. Turn the steering wheel 360 degrees towards the right side. Slowly move towards the parking bay without touching the lines. Turn the steering wheel to the normal position when the vehicle matches the line. See the left side door handle matches with behind white line. Then stop the vehicle, pull the handbrake. Then shift the gear to neutral for manual and parking for automatic transmission. This will end the Parking Test 3 Angle Parking Test. Exit the parking bay by reversing slowly. Switch on the right indicator before moving the vehicle. Observe your left and right side and rear view. Check your right shoulder and turn to look behind. Slowly release the handbrake when you are ready. Move slowly while observing other vehicles for possible hazards. Keep checking behind while exiting the parking bay. When you match the yellow line to the left side mirror, immediately turn right and turn the steering wheel 360 degrees while reversing. Keep in mind that the slope area is behind your vehicle. Proceed to your next parking test. Angle parking test additional reverse movement tips. If the student misses the first sighting point and realizes that he is going to touch the line, he is allowed the additional reverse by following the steps below. Step 1. Stop the vehicle before touching the yellow line. Step 2. Engage reverse gear. Observe all around you, especially behind. Avoid dry steering. Step 3. Reverse slowly and turn the steering wheel towards the left to straighten the vehicle. Step 4. Engage the first gear in manual and D for automatic transmission and move slowly towards the angle bay. Step 5. Stop the vehicle when the left side door handle matches behind the white line. Pull the handbrake and shift the gear into P for automatic and neutral for manual vehicle.